We're picking up more details on searches that are being carried out at as many as 26 locations by the Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate, we're given to understand, has clubbed multiple FIRs. 6 locations, raids taking place at 6 locations in Kerala. Searches being carried out at 5 locations in Tamil Nadu, 3 locations in Karnataka, 2 in the national capital, 2 in Uttar Pradesh, 2 in Bihar. At as many as 26 locations, the Enforcement Directorate is carrying out raids. Our senior executive associate editor, I beg your pardon, Shravan Sen, joining us with more details. Tell us more about these searches. Shravan, 26 locations, the Enforcement Directorate currently carrying out searches.
Well, this is a massive crackdown, to say the least, because this is a nationwide crackdown against the PFI that is being carried out by the Enforcement Directorate. What we can now confirm to our viewers is that these searches are being carried out at least 26 locations. Some of the breakup that we already have at this point in time is that there have been 6 locations in Kerala where these searches are being carried out. In Tamil Nadu, about 5 locations. Karnataka, 3 locations. In the national capital, 2. In Uttar Pradesh, 2. Bihar, in 2 locations. Maharashtra, 1, as well as 1 location in Rajasthan. However, there are other locations where we have not got details as yet, because the total number of searches are being carried out at 26 locations. And not just that, this is not pertaining to just one case. Now we can confirm to our viewers that the Enforcement Directorate has essentially clubbed multiple FIRs, which also includes the riot cases in which the PFI had basically come under the scanner.
All right. So you're telling us that this is not in relation to any one particular case, Shravan, but let me bring in Ashwin also at this point in time. Ashwin, do we have more clarity on, though like Shravan is pointing out, this is not related to any one particular case. The Enforcement Directorate has clubbed several FIRs, but are all of these cases related to the role of the PFI?
Yes, we have got an information. I just spoke to the PFI members right now, and they have told me very clearly that raids have happened at all the national leaders of PFI. That is what the PRO of PFI has just told me. He confirmed this just few minutes ago with me. So it is actually true that several places in Kerala, 6 locations in Kerala, the raid has happened, including the national president, the national secretary, as well as key members of the PFI. I also spoke to Mr. Ashraf Maulavi, whose house was raided in Thiruvananthapuram. He has reported that between 9 and 10:30, about 6 to 7 members of the Enforcement Directorate, all of them who were not non-Malayalam speaking people, they had come. So which means they have all come from Delhi unit of the Enforcement Directorate. They had come, and the raid had happened for 1.5 hours. And he also maintained that nothing has been found, though we are yet to confirm the same from the Enforcement Directorate. But what is concerning, what is been confirmed from the PFI side, which we are breaking now, is that they have confirmed also that raids have happened at the top leaders' homes and the state committee offices across the nation.
Well, the foreign links of the PFI have been under scanner for the past so many months, and now the Enforcement Directorate has clubbed multiple FIRs, searches on at as many as 26 locations. Top members of the PFI being raided as we speak. Many thanks, Ashwin. For the moment, we leave it at that.